Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English Talk channel. I'm Anna, and I'm really happy to have you here with us today. Today's conversation is calm, practical, and very useful, especially if you like to travel or plan trips. We're going to practice a real-life situation that many people experience at least once: booking a hotel.
Hi everyone, I'm Leo. It's great to be here with you again. Booking a hotel can feel stressful when you're doing it in English, especially if it's over the phone or at the front desk. But with the right words in a relaxed attitude, it can become a smooth and comfortable conversation.
Before we begin, let me quickly say this. If these conversations help you feel more confident in English, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the English Talk channel. Your support really helps us continue creating simple, natural English content for you.
We truly appreciate it. All right, let's get started. Imagine you're planning a short trip. You found a hotel that looks nice, and now you want to book a room. In this situation, Anna is the guest, and I'm working at the hotel reception.
Good afternoon. I'm calling because I'd like to ask about booking a room at your hotel.
Good afternoon, and thank you for calling. I'd be happy to help you with that. Could you tell me the dates you're planning to stay with us?
Of course. I'm thinking of arriving on Friday, March 13th, and checking out on Sunday, March 15th.
Let me check availability for those dates. Just a moment, please. All right, we do have rooms available for that weekend. How many guests will be staying?
It will be just me, so one adult.
Perfect. Are you looking for a specific type of room, such as a single room, a double room, or something with more space?
I'd prefer a double room. Even though I'm traveling alone, I like having a bit more space, especially if I'm staying more than one night.
That's completely understandable. We have a standard double room available, as well as a deluxe double room. The deluxe option is slightly larger and includes a small sitting area.
That sounds nice. Could you tell me the price difference between the standard and the deluxe room?
Certainly. The standard double room is $120 per night, while the deluxe double room is $150 per night. Both prices include breakfast.
Breakfast is included? That's good to know. What kind of breakfast do you offer?
We serve a buffet-style breakfast with hot and cold options. You'll find things like eggs, toast, fruit, yogurt, coffee, tea, and juice.
That sounds perfect. I think I'd like to go with the deluxe double room.
Great choice. I'll reserve a deluxe double room for you from March 13th to March 15th. May I have your full name, please?
Sure. My name is Anna Collins.
Thank you, Miss Collins. Could you also provide a phone number or email address so we can send you the confirmation?
Yes, you can send the confirmation to my email. It's anna.collins@email.com.
Got it. I've noted that down. Now, I just need to ask about payment. Would you like to guarantee the reservation with a credit card today?
Yes, that's fine. I can give you my card details now.
Whenever you're ready.
All right. The card number is 1234567890123456.
Thank you. I've entered the information. Please don't worry, we won't charge your card today. Payment will be handled when you check in at the hotel.
That's good to hear. I appreciate the clarification.
Of course, transparency is important. Your reservation is now confirmed. You'll receive an email shortly with all the details.
Wonderful. I do have a few more questions, if that's all right.
Not a problem at all. Go ahead.
What time is check-in, and what time do I need to check out?
Check-in starts at 3 p.m., and check-out is by 11 a.m. If you arrive earlier, we can store your luggage until your room is ready.
That's very helpful. My flight arrives in the morning, so knowing that makes things easier.
I'm glad to hear that. Is there anything else you'd like to know?
Yes, actually. Do you offer airport transportation, or would I need to arrange that myself?
We do offer airport pickup for an additional fee. If you'd like, I can add that service to your reservation.
How much does that service cost?
It's $40 one way. A driver will meet you at the airport and bring you directly to the hotel.
That sounds convenient. I think I'll arrange my own transportation this time, but it's good to know the option is available.
Absolutely. If you change your mind later, just let us know.
One more thing. I usually prefer a quiet room. Is it possible to request a room away from the elevator?
Certainly. I've added a note to your reservation requesting a quiet room away from the elevator. While we can't guarantee it, we always do our best to accommodate requests like that.
Thank you. I really appreciate the effort.
You're very welcome. We want our guests to feel comfortable during their stay.
Everything sounds great so far. I'm really looking forward to staying at your hotel.
We're happy to hear that. We look forward to welcoming you in March.
Thanks again for your help today. You've made the booking process very easy.
It was my pleasure. If you have any questions before your arrival, feel free to contact us anytime.
I will. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Safe travels, and we'll see you soon.
Now imagine a slightly different situation. This time you've arrived at the hotel and you're checking in at the front desk.
Welcome to the hotel. Good evening. How can I help you?
Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Anna Collins.
Let me pull that up for you. Just a moment, please. All right, I see your reservation here. You're staying with us for 2 nights in a deluxe double room.
That's right.
May I see your ID and credit card, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Everything looks good. Before I give you your key, let me quickly go over a few details about your stay.
Sure, that would be helpful.
Breakfast is served on the first floor from 7 to 10 a.m. Wi-Fi is complimentary, and the password is printed on your key card holder.
Great. Is there a gym or fitness area in the hotel?
Yes, we have a small fitness center on the 2nd floor. It's open 24 hours a day.
That's good news. I like to exercise in the morning.
You'll also find the elevator just around the corner. Your room is on the 4th floor.
Perfect. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
My pleasure. Here's your key card. If you need anything during your stay, just dial 0 from your room phone.
I'll remember that. Thanks again.
Enjoy your stay, Miss Collins.
As you can hear, booking a hotel and checking in doesn't have to be complicated.
Using polite language, clear questions, and calm answers can make the whole experience much more comfortable.
Now it's your turn to practice. Try repeating some of these sentences out loud, or imagine yourself booking a hotel in English.
And don't forget, if you enjoyed this conversation, please like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We'll see you in the next conversation. Take care.
Bye for now.